This is a Rubbermaid produce saver. It is a 2-count pack of one, so it's just this one container. You can purchase it in different sets, but we just needed a lettuce container. So it's a nice stackable deep size. It has this filter on the edge that keeps the oxygen and the carbon dioxide levels right. It has this little shelf in the bottom that keeps the produce up in the bowl and allows it to circulate. And it keeps salad fresh a lot longer than normal if you had it sitting in your fridge. We love it. We use it all the time, and it really keeps our salads ready to go.